Okay, hello. I wanted to show you unboxing of the Xiaomi Kettle. So let's see what is inside. Of course, we have instruction how to set everything. The legend of everything, what Kettle is showing up, and describing all the buttons. Next we have information how to use it for the first time, and we have detailed specification of the usability of the kettle. We have also Xiaomi application naming as the home app, Mi Home. Next we have some detailed specification and troubleshooting. Okay, let's show the kettle. I have the white one. We can choose between black one. It's nice. So let's use it for the first time. Let's push boil button and we have very fast boiled water. Kettle is silent and made of very quality plastic. Okay, let's see the app. Kettle is connected. We can set on hold specified temperature with specified time, but the temperature cannot be the same like temperature on different level. We have also option for auto keep temperature after boiling and option for saving temperature after raising the kettle. So that's all. I think that's it. Please subscribe, thumb up, and thank you for watching.